How many push-ups is safe? Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the safe number of push-ups that one can do in a day. Push-ups are an excellent body weight exercise that targets multiple muscle groups, including the chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's important to know the proper number of push-ups you can do to avoid any injuries or excessive strain on your body. The general consensus is that beginners should aim for a target of between 10 to 15 push-ups per day, gradually increasing as you get stronger and more comfortable. However, it's essential to note that this range may vary depending on factors such as your fitness level, age, and overall health. If you're a beginner, it's crucial to start with a low-impact exercise routine and gradually increase the intensity as you get stronger. You can begin by performing push-ups on your knees or using a resistance band to reduce the strain on your joints. It's also essential to listen to your body and adjust your exercise routine as needed. If you find that you are struggling to perform more than a few push-ups at a time, this may indicate that you are overtraining. In this case, it's advisable to take a break and return to your workouts later in the day or the week. In conclusion, the safe number of push-ups you can do depends on your fitness level, age, and overall health. Beginners should aim for between 10 to 15 push-ups per day, while more advanced individuals can try pushing themselves to perform more push-ups. Remember to listen to your body and gradually increase the intensity of your exercise routine as needed. Happy pushing!